Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Enterprise from your computer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling QuickBooks Enterprise from your computer, first, ensure all QuickBooks applications are closed. Next, navigate to the control panel on your system. You can easily find the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the control panel is open, click on Programs. Then, select Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate QuickBooks Enterprise. Click on QuickBooks Enterprise to highlight. Now, select the Uninstall option at the top of the list. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to proceed with the uninstallation. Confirm that you wish to uninstall the software. The QuickBooks Uninstall wizard will now open. Follow the prompts provided by the Uninstall wizard carefully. If prompted, choose whether you want to remove only the software or all user data associated with QuickBooks. Select the option based on your preferences. Once you make your choice, the uninstallation process will begin. Wait patiently as the software is removed from your system. After completing the uninstall, a confirmation screen will appear. Finally, click Finish to exit the Uninstall wizard. To ensure a clean removal, you may want to restart your computer. Check if any residual files or folders remain in the installation directory. If so, navigate to the installation folder and manually delete any leftover files. Your QuickBooks Enterprise should now be completely uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.